In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a markdown table into Notion and format it correctly. We're going to take a simple, practical approach so the table transfers cleanly and stays organized once it's inside your Notion page. The goal here is not just to paste information, but to make sure it lands in a format that is useful, readable, and easy to edit afterward. Start by asking ChatGPT to organize your information into a markdown table. This is important because markdown tables use a clean row and column structure that often transfers well into other tools. When you make the request, be specific about the exact column headings you need. Clear headings help define the structure from the start, and they reduce the amount of cleanup you'll need to do later in Notion. Once the table is generated, take a moment to review it carefully. Look for anything missing, misplaced, or incorrect. Check that each row matches the right category and that the wording in the headings is exactly what you want. It's much easier to fix issues now before moving the table elsewhere. When everything looks right, select the entire table, including the headings at the top. Make sure you capture all rows and columns so nothing gets left behind, then copy the table. Next, open the destination page in Notion. Find an empty section of the page and click there so Notion knows exactly where to place the content. Then paste the copied table. At this point, Notion may give you a choice for how to insert the content. If it does, select the table or database format. This matters because choosing the right option can preserve the structure and make the data easier to sort and manage later. After the table appears, review it closely, confirm that each value appears in the correct column, and that the headings still match the data underneath them. Sometimes pasted content shifts slightly, so this is your chance to catch anything that moved during the transfer. If needed, change the property types so the table behaves properly. For example, dates should be set as date properties. Numbers should be numeric. Checkboxes should be actual checkboxes. And category style fields may work better as selections. This step makes the table much more functional inside Notion. Finally, adjust the column widths and headings so the layout is clean and easy to read. Then correct any rows that did not transfer properly. A quick final pass can make a big difference in how polished your table looks. And that's how to transfer a markdown table into Notion and get it properly formatted.